As a homeowner in Nashville, TN, you know how important it is to have a reliable air conditioning system. But when your AC unit is not cooling, it can be a frustrating and uncomfortable experience. At your HVAC company, we understand the importance of providing fast and effective solutions to get your AC unit up and running again. Whether you need repair or replacement, our team of expert HVAC technicians is here to help. With years of experience and a commitment to customer satisfaction, we're the go-to choice for homeowners in Nashville. So why wait? Contact us today to schedule your appointment and get back to enjoying the comfort of your home.